In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot to summarize a PDF or document. Whether your file lives in Word, OneDrive, or you just want to upload it to Copilot in the browser, I'll walk you through each option so you can get a fast, clear summary without digging through pages of text. Let's start with the most straightforward route, using Copilot inside Microsoft Word. Open your PDF or Word document in Word. If it's a PDF, Word will convert it into an editable document so Copilot can read it. Formatting may shift a little, but the text will be there. Look for the Copilot button in the ribbon or sidebar and open the chat panel. In the chat, type, "Summarize this document." Copilot will scan the content and generate a concise overview. If you want it shorter or more focused, ask follow-up prompts like, "Summarize in 3 bullet points," or "Highlight key findings only." This is great for long documents, and you can keep refining the level of detail until the summary matches your needs. If your file is stored in OneDrive, Copilot can summarize it right from your browser. Go to onedrive.com and sign in. Find and select the file you want to review. This works for PDFs, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Click the Copilot button at the bottom right, then choose Summarize this file. A summary panel will appear with the main points, and you can ask follow-up questions directly in that panel, like clarifying sections or asking for key takeaways. This approach is handy when you want a quick readout without opening the document in a separate app. You can also use Copilot online and upload a file directly into chat. Open Copilot in your browser, then use the upload or paperclip icon to attach your PDF or document. Once the file is uploaded, type, "Summarize this PDF," or "Summarize this document." Copilot will parse the content and deliver a summary you can refine with more prompts. This is perfect for ad hoc files you don't want to store in OneDrive. If you don't see the upload icon, your Copilot version may not support attachments, so use Word or OneDrive instead. Whichever option you choose, the workflow is the same. Open Copilot, share your document, ask for a summary, and refine until it's exactly what you need. Always review the output for accuracy, especially with technical or sensitive material, and avoid uploading files you wouldn't want analyzed. That's it. Now you can summarize documents quickly, clearly, and confidently with Copilot.